In this part, I want to talk about glands. The glands are cell, tissue, or organ which are specialized to do secretion, and they can be found in all parts of our body. They can release the material, and this material sometimes can go external part of our body, or sometimes it can go to our blood. They can do secretion. Secretion are some products which are useful for our body. And sometimes they can do excretion. Excretion means they can make waste products which are not useful for our body. We can divide our glands to endocrine and exocrine gland. And let me show you the picture of these endocrine and exocrine. Before I talk about endocrine and exocrine, I want to tell you that all glands are originated from our epidermis. Look at here, these cells are epidermis. Sorry, they are coming from epithelium. This epithelium invaginates to connective tissue beneath it. When they come to the connective tissue, their characteristic change, and they are specialized for making secretion. If these cells have their connection with the epithelium here, they can do their secretion out of our body. We call them exocrine. If they lose their connection, they can release their secretion in the bloodstream, so we call them endocrine. So we can divide our glands to endocrine and exocrine. The endocrine glands have no ducts and they can secrete hormone directly to the blood, and the exocrine glands have ducts through which their products are released onto an internal surface or external surface of our body. And we have two types of endocrine and exocrine gland. Some of our glands are unicellular. We only have one cell and they are scattered in the epithelial tissue. They can be exocrine or endocrine, like mucous secreting cell, which we call them goblet cells, and endocrine cells in the stomach. And some glands are multicellular. And we have three modes for the secretion of secretory product: merocrine, apocrine, and holocrine. Now I want to show you their pictures. This is merocrine secretion. At the time of this secretion, the secretory product, as you see here, come to the upper part of the cell and do exocytosis and come out of our cell. The example of the merocrine gland is lacrimal gland or tear gland, pancreas, and gastric gland. The other name of merocrine gland are eccrine glands. The other type of secretion is called apocrine secretion. And we have it for the fat or lipid droplets. You see that the lipid droplets come to the top of the cell, and then this part pinch off from the cell. We have it in the mammary gland, and the milk fat secretion happen by apocrine secretion, and we have it in the axillary sweat glands. I will talk about this axillary sweat gland in the integumentary system completely. And the last type of secretion is called holocrine secretion. In the holocrine secretion, we have accumulation of secretory product in the cell, and this secretory product increase. After that, our cell rupture and all the secretion release. We have it in sebaceous gland and the tarsal gland in our eyelids.